Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create Instagram carousel post with Canva. So first we go to templates and we search for Instagram carousel. Afterwards, there's a lot of templates for Instagram carousels like this one. So we just customize this template and we have our very own Instagram carousel here. So we just put our very own images or like images here. We can put this in the back or whichever suits the blend. So we have this one, we have this one here. So here, this one. So like say that this is your photos. So now we have a Instagram carousel post here. So what we're gonna do is you would want to export this one by one and import it to Instagram by clicking on share, download, and put it one by one so that when you scroll right or left, it will look like a carousel. So you can put like rulers and guides and everything. So we can just go resize and custom size. You can put like social media. So yeah, copy and resize. We have this, or we can just click on resize to a custom size. If it's Instagram, probably it could be 4320 for a carousel, 1350. Resize this design. Now we have a carousel post here. What you would like to do is you can just go to the original one. Let's say that we just go back to this last size which we have. We download all the images here. So pages 1 to 5, PNG, press download. Then on the next, we're gonna need another screen, create design. Then we're just gonna unzip the image. So now what we're gonna do is we go here, custom file size, 4320 and 1350. Create new design. After creating a new design, we could just like go to file, press settings, and like show rulers and guides. So what we will just put add guides. Then we can click on custom. Say like 4 columns. Gap value to 0. So here we go. Add guides. And now we get the images from the past ones. So just go to uploads here. and drag the images from your exported Canva a while ago. So I'm just gonna drag it here, put it here, drag the other one, put it here, drag the other one, put it here, drag the other one, and put it here. So that's how you make a carousel with Canva. That's how you make an Instagram carousel with Canva, as you can see. Just share, click on download as PNG. Once again, that's how you make an Instagram carousel with Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and off to the next one.